In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from any photograph. Okay, so once we have our image over there that we are going to be using, you oftentimes will come across a situation where you need to remove the background from the photograph in one of your YouTube thumbnails or for a variety of other reasons. The first step I'm going to ask you to do is to go down to the link below, and this is going to link to Adobe Express. And then all you need to do is pull up your file and have your image ready, and you literally just drag it and drop it, or you can upload it using the button that directly links to the computer. You give it a couple of seconds to do its magic, and there it is with its background removed. So this is absolutely free to use, and there is no credit card required. All you need to do is sign up to Adobe Express to have access to this. So once you've done that, you click down to Adobe Express, and if you have an account, you can sign in, or you simply sign up and add your details into to get access to your image. And once you've got your image downloaded, then you can go back into a program like Canva, where you can add it to a thumbnail for your YouTube thumbnail, for example. So you then just go to uploads, you upload your files, and then you download your image, which now has a transparent background. So there we have it. She's got a lovely transparent background. You can slot her easily into your YouTube thumbnail, into the image that you want. Nice and clean edges, really good for a free version. And it's not massive resolution, but it is enough for things like thumbnails, and I found it very good for the purposes that we need. There is a one-click version of doing this in Canva. I have got a video on how to do that, but you do need Canva Premium in order to access that. So if you are wanting the one-click option, that is there. And then if you are wanting to download that thumbnail from there, you just go down to Share, Download, choose your size, and download over there. You will get your entire image for your thumbnails there. So that is how to remove your background for free outside of Canva from any photograph. If you are ever wanting to try and stand out from the crowd with the photograph of yourself or of other people, or even a pet, for example, check out this cool video here that I've got that teaches you how to create a sketch effect in Canva. Really cool tool, something quite different that will help you set you apart from your competition. I'm Gigi from Spotted Hat Design, and we help new business owners create professional logos and graphics for their brand in just a couple of minutes.